Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is day 2 of the 60 days challenge of targeting SBI PO on Clerk 2024. So this is the weekly target one of day 2. So in this video I am going to solve daily 5 arithmetic questions. So it will be helpful for the SBI Clerk and PO preparation. So let's get started. First question. A, B and C can complete 25% of the work in 8 days. AB started the work and after 12 days, both of them left. The work then C can complete the remaining work in how many days if C alone can complete the whole work in 64 days. So from this question, we can write down the data of, so A, B, C can complete 25% of the work. That means 25% is 1 by 4 will be completed in 8 days. So the A, B, C can complete the whole work in 32 days. And C alone can complete the whole work in 64 days. So I have written here, and therefore the total work will be 64 units. Okay, so from this we can calculate the individual efficiencies of A, B, C and C. That is 32 2s are 64, 64 1s are 64. So here the efficiency of A, B, C is 2 and the efficiency of C is 1. If we minus C from A, B, C, we will get the individual efficiencies of AB. So for first 12 days, AB completed the work, that is of 1 unit. Then the remaining work will be completed by C with 1 unit efficiency. So that will be equal to total work. Then we will get X value as 52 days. That means C worked for 52 days. Next question. A shopkeeper sold 2 dresses at rupees 8,400 each. Thus, there is neither gain nor loss in the total transaction. If he sold one of the dress at profit of 20%, then what is the loss percentage incurred on second dress? So here they had given the selling price of dress 1 and selling price of dress 2. So since they had given the profit percentage of one dress, so we can write 120% is 8,400 and from into 100 we'll get the CP1. So since no profit or loss in the transaction, so CP1 plus CP2 is equal to SP1 plus SP2. So that is 7,000 plus CP2 will be equal to selling prices of both the dresses. That is 8,400 plus 8,400 will get CP2 is equal to 16,800 minus 7,000. Then CP2 will be equal to 9,800. Therefore, the loss percentage is, this is a CP2, 9,800 out of loss, that is 1,400 into 100. We will get loss percentage as 14.28%. So we can do it in other method also, since we know that profit of 20%. So 20% will be equal to 1 by 5. That is, this will be CP and this is profit. So CP is 5 and we got a profit of 1 unit. So I wrote here as 6 units. Then here CP2. Since here profit is equal to loss, that means no profit, no loss. So I can take CP2 as 7 here and the SP2 will be 6 here. So here 1 unit of loss happened. Therefore 1 by 7 into 100 we will get 14.28%. This will be CP2 and this is the loss. Okay, so from this also we will get the answer. Next question. The average weight of X students is 56 kg. If the weight of the teacher who weighs 72 kg is also included, then the average becomes 56.5 kg. Find the value of X plus 4. So here, if we multiply the number of students with the average, we will get the weight. Okay, so that is 56x. So this is the initial, not average, this is initial sum. Okay, so if we add one more person, that is teacher is also added now. So x plus 1 into now 56.5, this is the average. If we multiply this, we will get 56.5x plus 56.5. So but this is equal to, so what we done here will be equal to 56x plus 72, because this is the sum which is initial and later we added the weight of the teacher. So we have written 72. Therefore 0.56 5x will be equal to 15.5, that is x by 2 will be equal to 31 by 2, then x is equal to 31 and they asked the value of x plus 4, so x plus 4 will be is equal to 35. Next question, salary of A is 25% more than that of the salary of B and expenditure of the B is 30% more than the expenditure of A. If the savings of A is 5,000 and if the expenditure of B is 13 by 10th of the savings of A, then find the savings of B. Here we know that income will be equal to sum of expenditure and savings. Okay, so here they had given that salary of A is 25% more than that of B. So we know that 25% will be equal to 1 by 4. So here 4x is B's salary, then A's salary is 25% more than that of B. So 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5x. Then they had given the expenditure of B is 30% more than that of A. So 30% more means 13 by 10. Okay, that of A. So if A's expenditure is 10, B will be 13. So I have written here as 10 by E and here 13 by. Okay, then they had given the savings of A as 5,000, so I have written here, and also they had given that expenditure of B, that is 13 by, will be equal to 13 by 10 times of savings of A. So 13 by 10 times of savings of A means 5,000. So here I got the value y is equal to 500. So if I substitute 500 here, I get 5,000 here, and here 5,000 and 6,500. Okay. So since we know that if we add expenditure and savings, we'll get the income. So here 5 plus 5 will be equal to 10,000. But 5x is equal to 10,000. Then x will be equal to 2,000. So if I substitute the value of 2,000 here, I'll get 8,000 here. So if I subtract expenditure from the income, I'll get the savings of B. Therefore, the savings of B is 1,500. Then next question, Ira invested 45,000 in compound interest for 1.5 years at 20% annual rate and of interest. So which is compounded half yearly. What is the amount received after 1.5 years? And we know that she invested 45,000 and since it is compounded half yearly, so we have to divide it by 2, we'll get 10%, and since it is compounded half yearly, so we have to multiply that is 1.5 years with 2, then we'll get 3. So then this is the compound interest, this is the amount and this is the principal. Okay, so this is 10 into 10 into 10, 1000 is 45,000 into, then this is the amount which is generated after the 3 years of compound interest. So then if you multiply this, we'll get 59,895 rupees. So that's it, we are done with the daily 5 arithmetic questions. So let's meet tomorrow with another 5 questions, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.